Hi, it's really nice to finally meet you in person after hearing so many good things about you from our friends, and I've honestly been looking forward to this moment for quite a while now.
It's great to meet you too, Jack, and I feel the same way because I've heard a lot about you as well, so I'm really happy that we finally have the chance to sit down and talk.
So, how has your day been so far? And did everything go smoothly, or did you have any unexpected challenges?
My day has been quite busy, to be honest, but it was productive, and I feel satisfied because I managed to finish most of my important tasks. What about you?
It was a bit tiring for me, but overall it went well, and I'm glad I can relax now and have this conversation with you.
That sounds nice. And by the way, what kind of work do you usually do during the day?
I work in an office where I handle different projects and communicate with clients, and although it can sometimes be stressful, I really enjoy learning new things and improving my skills. How about you?
I also work in a similar environment, and I agree that it can be stressful at times, but it's also very rewarding when everything goes well.
That's true. And speaking of relaxing, do you have any plans for the weekend, or are you thinking about taking it easy after a long week?
I'm thinking about going out with a few friends, but if I feel too tired, I might just stay home, watch a movie, and rest. What about you?
I might do something similar, because sometimes staying at home and relaxing is exactly what we need after a busy week.
I completely agree. And when you have free time, what do you usually like to do to relax?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and sometimes going for a walk because it helps me clear my mind. What about you?
I like doing those things too, especially listening to calm music because it helps me feel peaceful after a long day.
That's great. And by the way, if you ever need help with anything, feel free to ask because I'd be happy to help.
Thank you, Jack. I really appreciate that. And actually, I sometimes struggle with expressing my ideas clearly in English.
That's completely normal, and I think the best way to improve is to keep practicing and not be afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, I agree. And I've been trying to practice every day, even if it's just for a short time.
That's a very good habit, and in my opinion, consistency is the key to improving any skill, especially a language.
Absolutely. And do you usually practice English by yourself, or do you prefer speaking with others?
I try to do both because practicing alone helps me focus, but speaking with others helps me become more confident.
That makes sense, and sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English, especially with new people.
I understand that feeling, but I think it becomes easier with time as you gain more experience.
Yes, I've noticed that too, and I feel more comfortable now compared to before.
That's great progress. And do you also watch movies or listen to podcasts in English?
Yes, I do that quite often because it helps me improve my listening skills and learn natural expressions.
Same here, and I think it's also a fun way to learn because it doesn't feel like studying.
Exactly. And speaking of fun, do you enjoy going to cafes like this?
Yes, I really like the atmosphere here because it's calm and comfortable, and it's a great place to have conversations like this.
I agree, and the design and music make it even more relaxing.
By the way, have you decided what you want to order, or are you still thinking about it?
I'm still thinking, but I might try something new today. What about you?
I'll probably go with something simple, maybe coffee and a light meal.
That sounds good. And after this, do you have any other plans for today?
Not really. I just want to relax and maybe watch a movie later.
That sounds like a perfect way to end the day.
Yes, and before we finish, I just want to say that it was really nice talking to you today.
I feel the same way, Jack, and I really enjoyed our conversation because it was both relaxing and meaningful.
I hope we can do this again sometime soon.
Definitely, I would love that.